Welcome to this Blackboard tutorial. In this video, you will get to know Blackboard by navigating around its user interface. And secondly, you will also learn how to personalize your Blackboard according to your own preference. And last, you will also learn from this video how to change your user password. Let's log in first. When you first log in to Blackboard, you're going to be on a web page that is referred to as the My Institution page. Now, this main page has a number of different boxes. Okay. Now, these boxes are called modules. Now, there's this Tools module, there's this My Course module, there's this On-Demand module, My Organization module, and My Task module. Now, personalizing your Blackboard has something to do with these modules because you can rearrange modules, you can add module, and you can even close some of these modules. For example, you want to rearrange the layout of your Blackboard, so you can easily change the location or position of one module. Like, for example, click on this My Courses module and you can place it in another location on your screen. Okay, like this. So you can change it to where you would want it to be on the screen. Also, you can also remove or close a module that you can see initially on the screen. Like, for example, you would like to delete My Organization. It's very easy. Just click the X button and then click OK. Also, it is also possible to add a module. So go here and then, for example, you would want to add a calculator. So add, and then go back to My Institution so that you will see the calculator right there. Now, what happened? You were able to personalize the layout of your Blackboard by rearranging some of these modules, closing some modules, and even adding a module such as the calculator. Now, also another way to personalize your Blackboard is to apply a color scheme. Now, this can be done by going here, personalize page, and from here you can see different color sets that you can choose from. In this case, for example, I would like to select the sky, which is a color theme. When I hit that submit, what will happen to my Blackboard screen? The color of the modules also have now changed. So this is another way of personalizing your Blackboard. So now let's go to changing your user password. Okay, to change your password, you go here, personal information, and from here you can go here, change password. Now, to change the password, you have to enter your current password or the password that you use to log into this Blackboard. And now enter the new password and hit that submit button. Now, to verify that you were able to change that password, you must be able to see your success password edited. So this is how you change your user password in Blackboard.